Hi, hello. In the last video, we discussed about how to draw the center line plan for any type of plan it will be. Now, I'm going to tell you how to draw the beam layout. Okay. And same as well here, we have the plinth beam layout also. So, there was some of the difference between the plinth beam and same as well beam layout. Okay. Today, I'm going to explain you how to draw the beam layout. So, this is my plan. So, for this plan, I already drawn the center line plan. Next, these are my footings, not the columns, ma. It's a footing. Now I want to draw the beam layout plan. So for that, so here what I am doing, I just want to. So this is the complete center line for my plan, right? Now here I'm going to remove this portion because in every portion means in every wall we don't have the beam. Okay. For that I'm deleting this portion. Here we have some of the beams. Here too we have some. Okay. If is there any beams in the center line, then you can keep it like that only. If there is no any beam in the walls, means what we draw our center line plan, just delete them. Here I just have the center line plan. We get this line. Okay. But in this portion, we don't get any beam. So for that reason only, I am deleting this portion. Okay. The same process, do it to your plan. Now, I am going to draw the beam layout. So firstly, I want to convert this off wall into some different layout line type. So I am selecting all the lines here. So here we have some of the layouts, line types. So I want to choose any one of them. Okay. Now I want to take the offset of that. So my beam, the thickness is go with 4.6 inches. So for that, what I'm doing, I'm giving offset. So 4.6 means I'm taking the offset of half of from here to here. Okay, two sides I have to give the half of portion. For that, I'm giving here 2.3 inches. Here and same here. Like this. So I'm doing the same if we have the different beam dimensions. In that case, you have to change your offset. Okay. So firstly, I want to change it to normal. After that, I will convert it into some different line type. Okay. Okay. So now I want to take the offset of 2.3 inches. So here to here and same process outside also. Again, the process I am repeating here. I am telling you, if you don't get any beams here, in that case, what you have to do, just deduct that lines from your center line plan. Okay. Like this, we have to draw. Next, I want to change the so layers. So for that, here giving some different layer to them. Okay. Now I want to change my line, center line. Okay. So for this, here I am selecting only center line. I am giving some different layer for this. Going with some ash, and also I'm using different line type too. Okay, once again, that is ash and line tab we have to provide here. Yes. Okay, control 1. Here we have to specify the scale for line type. 0.05 I'm giving here. Just see the difference in my line. Okay, just see the difference by changing the scale here. How is it working? Zero point 0.2. Okay, 0.5 I'm giving. 0.7. 0.6. Okay, so this is my line type. Okay, now I want to give the match property to all of them. So I'm selecting this and giving to all the center lines. So which lines are drawn firstly? Okay, so like this we can directly give the layer type and same as well layer property also. Okay, so this is my part. So here I have some of the cuts. For that I'm using fillet for joining these two, and same process I'm using. Okay, here too. So I want to use once again. So here I directly do the trim. Okay, so this is my beam layout mode. This is the process how to draw the beam layout for any type of plan. So it has some process. So for that first we have to draw the center line, and same as well here we get the footings, not the columns. Columns is a different. If you go with plinth beams, we get the uh, footings. If you go with the plinth beam, then we have the plinth foundation part, means footings. If we go with beams layout, then we have the columns, right? If in case I consider it as a plinth beam layout, then these of all are our footings. If I consider these of all beams, then these of all our columns. Okay, so like this we have to draw. In some of the cases, what's going on means here, for example, if you go with beam plans, in some beams they're drawn at the edge of this column based on the room dimension and same as well column marking. Okay, I will tell you in the other video how to draw in different columns, how to place the columns, and same as well how to draw the beams for different columns, how to adjust them. Okay, so if you have any doubts in this, just drop a message, and same as well if you want to clarify anything in that case also just do the same thing, suggest to your friends. So I think you know very well compared to me, this is used to whom. Okay, thanks for watching.